Welcome back. Adam and Lauren here at Auburn Cord Duesenberg Company in Broken Arrow. And I wanted to show you something neat today. We've got a 35/36 Auburn Speedster in the shop here, and wanted to take the opportunity to show you a unique feature on these cars, which is these headlights. But with these headlights and their cool design, and they are gorgeous piece, there is a challenge of pulling them out. If you ever need to replace the bulb or do some wiring or to get them re-chromed or whatever you might need to do for maintenance and upkeep, taking these lenses out can be scary. We've seen guys break them, and they're at this point extremely hard to replace, and they're not cheap. So I wanted to just kind of walk you through the process and what that looks like, you can see how it's done, some tips and tricks maybe, because in some cases it's trial and error. But with these, you don't want to have a bunch of trials, and you definitely don't want to mess up. So through the years, we perfected a way to do it, and want to kind of show you how that looks, what that looks like. So with that, I'll let Lauren kind of take over and show you how it's done. We got Cody going to come in here too and be a spotter here.
Yeah. Cody's going to come in with a blanket for safety, just in case. You want to make sure your hands aren't slick or anything, like Adam said. These lenses are pretty much irreplaceable at this point, so we don't want to break one. Anyway, first step, you have a little screw up underneath here that you need to undo and remove. So sometimes on the service manual, there is a little slot in this screw. It does say drop it down till it drops into that slot, and you should be able to remove it. We found sometimes it's just easier to remove the screw completely. Sometimes that reflector can get caught on the tip of the screw. It's just easier to get it completely out of the way. All right, once you get that out of your way, we'll come in. So you have to push in on the lens and rotate it out essentially. Just like that.
Okay, so tell us what you were doing there.
So basically this reflector is spring loaded, and when you remove that screw, you allow it to push in and out. And you got to push it in enough to get the lens past this lip right here. And once you get it past that lip, then you can push in on the bottom and rotate the top out, and then you can pull the lens out completely. And then basically to put it back in, you're just going to do essentially the opposite. You're going to get that bottom in, pop the top in, and then it'll stay. You can put your screw back in.
So you can see when they go to remove that, I mean, that can be a pretty scary process if you're not used to it. Having the confidence to kind of go in there and manhandle that in order to get it out can be kind of scary. So once you see the mechanism inside, you know what it looks like, you see what needs to happen. But wanted to be able to show you guys that. If you've got 35, 36 Auburn, or even 34s, similar cars with a similar kind of setup, you're going to be able to pull that out with confidence, knowing the process now. So hopefully that helps.